Hello, 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to reduce and increase drawer box depths. In your most recent 2020 catalog, right-click on the cabinet you want to add the modification to and click Attributes. When your Attributes box pops up, you'll click on the Add-ons tab, and then in Base Modifications, you're going to click the Drawer Box modification. You'll see I have added an oversized depth modification. That's for illustration for when we increase our drawer box, which we'll do that first. So when you click your drawer box modifications, you'll see as we scroll down here, we've got our reduce and our increase. I'm going to click the increase drawer box. It's a quantity of 1 drawer, and you'll see that that drawer box did increase. You can go to your notes tab here and type in the amount you want it to increase. For a visual here, it did run it into the back of the cabinet. So you can just call out how deep you want your cabinet and then how deep you want the drawer box. I'm going to go ahead and delete both of those modifications. And now I'm going to go back into Base Modifications, Drawer Box Modifications, and here we have our Reduce Top Drawer Depth. I'm going to click the 8 inches deep. So it's going to reduce 8 inches from the back of the cabinet. I'm going to click my quantity of 1 drawer, and you'll see we did get a nice visual of that also. It reduced it. Hit Apply and OK, and you're ready to move on to your next modification. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection, and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!